welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Happier by Bastille and Marshmello. So this has been requested quite a few times actually on my channel. So we're just going to be looking at the full chord structure today. There's going to be about 5 or so different sections which we'll need to go over that repeat throughout the song. So the chords are fairly repetitious. I'll say there's about 5 sections, but the chords, they're all very similar and the chords differ ever so slightly in each of them. So we're going to look at the intro first. We'll go over the chords in the right hand. So the first chord is a D minor 7, but in the right hand you're going to play A, C, and F, and then when we come through the left hand you'll be playing Ds with that. So you're going to hold that for 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to come up to C major for 1 beat, which is C, E, and G. And then you're going to keep your thumb there and change the E and the G to an F and an A, which gives you F major second inversion. So we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to come down to A minor for 1 beat, which is A, C, and E, and then you're going to play B flat major, which is B flat, D, and F for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, and then for 1 beat you're going to add the A to that chord, which gives you a B flat major 7. And then back to the B flat major. So I'll go through all of that again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the right hand of the intro, and that chord progression is very similar for the verse and the pre-chorus and the outro as well. So we're going to look at the left hand now. So you can play single notes if you want to, or if you're able to, you can have a go at playing octaves. So we're just going to mostly follow the root notes of all the chords we just played then. So we've got Ds, and then you're going to play E, F, and then you're going to come down to A, B flat, and then B flat again. So altogether we've got, in the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to slowly put that together for you now. 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now on to the verse. So as I said, it's very similar. So I'm just going to play it through for you. The only difference is that you add another C chord on the very end. So I'll play the whole verse. And then C before you go repeat it again back into D minor 7. So that's the intro and both of the verses covered. So the next bit is to look at the pre-chorus where we're singing "And only for a minute." So again, it's very similar. So I'm going to go through the right hand first. We've got D minor 7 again. 1, 2, 3, and then C, F, and then F again, and then B flat major. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then to C, 4 that repeats. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the left hand, you're going to be playing D, E, F, and then you're going to come down to A, B flats, B flat, C, D, and then it repeats. So I'll put that together as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's into the instrumental bit, which I guess is the chorus. So there's not much lyrics going on, so we might as well have a look at the that bit there. So the right hand is going F, 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 G, A, F, 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 and then it's going from the B flat to the C, like flicking from it, and then A, F, 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 G, A, F, 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 E, C. And that whole melody repeats again. So I'll play that all the way through. And the left hand, you're going to play D, E, F, A, B flat, B flat, C. So what the left hand has been playing the entire time so far. So I'm going to slowly put that together for you, and I'll show you a different way you could add more notes in the right hand melody part to make it sound just a little bit more interesting. So there's a lot of sort of playing in between the beats there in the right hand. So I'm going to do that again, this time keeping a bit more of a pulse in my left hand. So in the right hand, if you wanted to amp it up a bit, you could play C and F. So you could play a C with each of those notes, and then A and C, F and A, C and F, G, A, C and F, C and E, and then G and C. Straight into the verse again. So there's only a couple more sections left to look at, and then that concludes the entire song. The next bit is the bridge. So the bridge is the part where he's singing, I'll go. So the chords you're going to play a B flat major for 4 beats, and then F major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, D minor for 3 beats, and then back to C major on the 4th beat. Then it goes back to the B flat major, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the F, 2, 3, 4, and then C, 2, 3, 4. You could hold it for 8. So the left hand, you're going to play B flat, F, C, D, E, B flat, F, C. So I'll put that together now. And then it goes into part of the verse, so you're going to play the chords on the beat, like this. So exact same as the verse. Back into the pre-chorus, so they're only for a minute. So the outro, he's singing what he's singing in the bridge, but he's playing the same chords as the pre-chorus. So I'll just play that and he's just sustaining them. And then it ends on that B flat. So that concludes the tutorial on how to play all the different sections of this song. I've listed the full chord song lyric structure in the description below with all the timings of which part of the tutorial corresponds with which section in the song. If this video has been useful and you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Bitesize Piano, please do hit that subscribe button and go check out my many more piano tutorials on my channel. If you have any piano tutorial requests that aren't already on there, go see the comment section below where you can follow the link and submit a piano tutorial request. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.